Hi guys, my name is Forever Looney here. So today let me just talk a little bit about property with you guys, okay? So I know that a lot of people are looking in the investors world. You guys need to know some information, but then you guys just go online and then suddenly all these things just plunge towards you and tell you that oh, residential is this and that. After that, at the end of the day, you'll be like, huh? Oh, wow, whoa, I just want to buy a residential property. Why is it so complicated itself? It's because this world, there's a lot of people that claim that I'm an expert, I'm good in anything, I just want to share my thoughts and all these things, and then at the end of the day, you guys just don't know what is going on. Alright, so let me just share with you guys what is residential property. And actually, I've prepared something. So the layman terms for residential property, pretty much, is a location, a property, that we are actually staying in, a property that is for people to stay. People are able to buy it as a house, a roof over their head, and at the same time, they are actually able to propagate or actually have a family there. Pretty much that's the layman term, okay? So investors, we all know that residential property is something that we can invest in. Who are we targeting? Is actually we are targeting this group of people. Either they are people coming out from the city, they want a place to stay, so they are able to actually work in the city itself, or they are actually looking for overseas people that are coming overseas to stay in the property itself, and then you rent to them. However, all these things are actually on short-term lease. Short-term lease meaning 3 months, 6 months, 10 months, maybe a year, maybe 2 years. Some actually goes very long. If that is if you are fortunate, and that's great actually. So pretty much this is all about residential property and what are the ideas you all can rent it out. Some people become creative. They cut up the residential property, they cut up into maybe 4 rooms, and then they rent out each room. However, at the end of the day, what I'm asking is actually the living room, it become a common space. If you are able to actually break even all the cost, the ROI and everything, I think this is great because you let people have a common area. At the same time, 4 different bedrooms are actually booked by people. However, the only thing that I am afraid of is actually them fighting over the bathroom instead. So who get the master bedrooms and all these things. But at the end of the day, people are very creative. As long as you can let your creativity go past, you are able to actually maximize the bedrooms and how the rooms are actually allocated to each other. So yeah, pretty much that's all about residential property. I hope that this helps you a little bit in your prospects. At the same time, also when you are prospecting rooms, know what you're looking at. I'll talk about that in the next video. So my name is Forever Looney. The book Zero to Real Estate is coming out. All this information will be plunged inside there. So Zero to Real Estate will be a book where you have zero knowledge, but you still can go into real estate itself, where all this information, accurate information, will be plunged in there. Hopefully it can help you in your real estate journey. My name is Forever Looney. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, share with everybody else, help them into this real estate itself, or actually help your friends to be motivated, inspired, or even get to know what are the investment things that you're able to do in your life. So see you guys on the next video.